Right, so London's high. That's Asia's high right there. But that's already been taken out a couple of times. I'm not worried about that one. I'm thinking we're going to blow right through it. Come on, get to the London high. And a new 5. We had no rejection at this zone here. Hopefully it doesn't try to come to it. That's what the white means. Price did nothing there. Yeah, that's going to probably drop down. I'm walking in this low right here at 540. Right, we got our value area here on this 5-minute candle. See if we can just hold this low of the value. Hopefully we can. I'm locking in these lows of the value low at 549.75. Just give us a nice pop right there. Oh no. Yeah, that's what I thought was going to happen. That's why I'm locking it in, man. It's going to retrace here, but that's fine. You can always get back in if you really wanted to. Ooh, is that going to help us out? Are they going to help us out, or are they going to tag us out? They're going to help us out. Buyers are fucking still pushing. They're still stepping on the gas, but I think they're dying. Oh, shit. All right. Come on. Step on the gas, buyers. One little good pop, and we got this. Straight to the TP. Straight to the TP we go. All right, I'm going to lock in that candle there. That's a nice candle. 564. Don't whip back. Make me look stupid. 564 is the trail. Come on, hit the TP. Hit the TP. I am at my goal right now if I close. I'm locking in that candle there. 573.50. TP is going to get smacked. Locking in more. 577.25. Come on, smack the take profit. Boom! Fucking badass